Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at a TikToker who is successful at selling their own print-on-demand branded clothing line. They use TikTok to get it out in front of their audience, but we're going to study some of the tactics they use to achieve success in such a crowded field. So let's get right to it. So let's kick this story off with a Twitter thread that someone else put together, Bowtied TikTok on Twitter. They get credit for putting this together and putting this on my radar because I'm not going to lie, I don't spend too much time on TikTok. That app is still way over the top with the permissions and data collection that it does for anybody that puts it on their smartphone. So it's definitely not on my phone, but you know, I know that most people don't care, so it is what it is. All right, he says, Moad is an absolute TikTok genius. Practically overnight, he proved you can sell in a saturated market with TikTok alone. Here's what he does and how he's likely printing millions because of it. So you can see here, Moad's TikTok. I've got it pulled up right here on desktop, not on my phone. So he uses scarcity like you've never seen before. Nelk is another big brand, if you guys are familiar with them. They commonly sell out of their drops because you can never buy a drop of their merch again. And I know other brands that do this. Marielle, my girlfriend, loves like Aloe Yoga, and Aloe's constantly doing like new color drops, right? They can even just keep the same products but change the color, and it's like truly scarce. When it sells out, you have to go to the resale market, places like Poshmark, and overpay just to get a piece. And I know Lululemon too, they're constantly sold out online. So there might be something to this scarcity model. All right. And Moad, he recognized this. Maybe he thought it up. Maybe he just studied what other people are doing, but he also does that. He also requires a password to use his site to even buy the merch. Okay. So when you go to his TikTok, look at the first thing you see up here at the top. It says join waitlist for password. Now that's actually taking it even a step further. It almost reminds me of Supreme when they would do their drops. You had to like line up outside the store. There would be people who would pay other people to go in line with them. And that was solely so that they would, when I say with them, I mean to wait in line to purchase a product on their behalf. And then they would flip the product for more money, and they would be paying the people to stand in line out of the profit margin they would receive after selling that product at a markup. You know what I mean? It's kind of crazy, but hey, it's the world we live in. So here's the Trico brand that Moad runs, and you can see here it needs a password to get in, otherwise you are out of luck. But you can also join the waitlist, and that will help you get a password the next time he wants to do a drop. You gotta love it, guys. This is thinking outside the box. It's not just saying, hey, it's print on demand, buy as much as you want whenever you want. It's trying to focus people's attention spans, because we know they're shorter than ever these days, on that moment when the new drop comes, right, for his branded product. And yeah, it is fake scarcity too. Let's be real. We're print-on-demand sellers. We know that. But back to the thread. This scarcity model allows him to achieve a stupid amount of profile clicks over and over again. So TikTok probably loves that he's bringing people back to his profile to check on the drops. People keep checking to see if he's released a password on TikTok yet, so they can be a part of his exclusive community. Finally, the very intriguing style of his videos. It's funny. He basically puts two people on the table. You're either with him or against him. So similar to how, I mean, I hate to say it, and I mean, I really do hate to say it, but like the mainstream media, the narratives that they push are almost always binary. It doesn't matter what the narrative is. Yesterday's narrative, today's narrative, tomorrow's narrative often are binary outcomes. They try to distill extremely complex things down into two sides. There's only two sides. You got to pick, which keeps people fighting each other over things that they probably don't even care about, really. It makes you pick a side, though, you know what I mean? And I get it, you know what I mean? If you're one of the people that wants to support Moad and his Trico brand, then you come back, you wait for a password to join that wait list to get into the shop to make a purchase, you know, and he's got his merch all over his TikTok videos as well, as you'd expect. And
being on the wait list doesn't guarantee you a spot.
No! God. So I'm saying he's making videos that appeal to his target audience, target demographic as well, on a platform that appeals to his target audience and target demographic, as you would imagine, right? And he knows who his audience is. I mean, we can watch one video probably, and you'll notice that, you know, it's pretty much looks to be about males his age. You know what I'm saying? So he also, and it's not in the Twitter thread here, but like He honed in on a very specific target audience and is doing everything he possibly can to appeal to them and isn't worried about having mass appeal, broad appeal, trying to get everybody's approval.
In fact, in the last drop, only 20% of the wait list made it in time. But here's the secret sauce, my friends. Anything truly worth having requires action. The people who proudly wear tricot are the ones who don't settle for the first fast fashion ad that pops up on their feed.
See, he's already trying to make it exclusive with what he just said there. The people who wear his brand are not the people that fall for the first ad that they see in their TikTok feed. He's trying to make you feel like a little bit of an air of superiority for wearing his tricot brand instead of, you know, whatever other brand.
They are conscious about the brands they choose because the brands we use say a lot about who we are and the values we represent. See this tee right here? It's called We Make Our Own Luck. And let me tell you why.
By the way, look at the print quality. I don't know who fulfilled that, but it doesn't look all that great. I'm not trying to like knock this dude in any way, shape, or form. I'm just saying that like that print quality to me does not look, it's not the best. We've all seen better probably.
Success is often mistaken for sheer luck. But behind
Nice design,
every
though.
triumph lies a story of pain, struggle, and relentless effort. The ones who wear tricot
Hey, by the way, pain, struggle, relentless effort kind of reminds me of starting a print-on-demand business.
understand this. They know that success isn't something that magically happens overnight. Being on the way.
There you go. Hey, I mean, that resonates with me. Maybe I need a tricot shirt. Success does not magically happen overnight. I'm sure he has put in blood, sweat, and tears into scaling his TikTok account up to over 250,000 followers and 5.5 million likes. And by the way, while I'm on the subject, I'm about to wrap this video. I just wanted to mention, I did an interview with somebody, Gideon, years ago, like 3 years ago, I think, roughly. And he had just about the same size following, if not bigger. And he also launched a TikTok print-on-demand brand. But I got him one-on-one. I got to sit down with him and pick his brain for like 45 minutes. I will link to that video in the description of this one as well, in case you want to catch that if you are really into TikTok and want to learn from a true expert of TikTok. I'm not talking about myself. I'm talking about Gideon, all right? I'll link to that video in the description as well because it is on YouTube, but it is also buried on my channel from 3 years ago. So anyways, guys, thank you for watching. I hope you found this helpful. Have you tried selling on TikTok? How did that work for you? By the way, I had another interview, just real quick, that somebody on TikTok wore a shirt he was selling, a big TikToker, and this dude made just boatloads of sales after that moment. All right, it was a big like Minecraft TikToker. Anyways, that was another one. It's like it was a strawberry milk kawaii shirt. You guys remember that interview? Anybody that's been subscribed for a while, let me know if you caught that one. But that's also on my channel, and if I can find it, I will link to that in the description as well. But that was less about how to succeed at TikTok. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe on your way out, and I'll see you tomorrow with a new video.